Been down low, babe. I blind for your eyes. You don't need to see me when you're on your knees waiting.
Hi everyone, it's Moesha. Today I'm going to review the Ordinary Serum Foundation. I've been using this product for a year, so this is by no means a first impression video. Whenever I use this foundation, I notice my skin has a natural glow to it. Healthy glow, not just natural, it looks healthy. And I think that's what we all want when we wear makeup, for it to seem like we're not wearing makeup, but it's not like caked on our face. And this foundation applies so beautifully on the skin. It amazes me, and you'll see that in a second. And for reference, I want you to know that my skin type is more on the oily to normal scale, so that's just a reference for you to go by if we have the same skin tone. I've applied all my skincare as well as primer, and I'm using the Ordinary Serum Foundation in the shade Oops, I think my dress just ripped. 3.1Y. Before I start applying my foundation, I'm going to blot my face first. So I'm using the e.l.f. Perfecting Powder. There are some blemishes on my face, so I'm going to be focusing on them first, like right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. And there's one right here too. So I'm gonna focus on those blemishes and then apply my whole foundation. And before you start using this foundation, that's one pump. And you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. Actually, this whole thing, see, it's quite runny, so be careful. It has a water-like consistency, but a little goes a long way with this foundation. Notice that this foundation oxidized slightly, nothing too drastic. It just gives me a more tan look, but it's nothing over dramatic. I still have some left. You see how it oxidized a bit right here? Hi everyone, for this clip I'll be doing a voiceover because the audio is messed up. So for this clip, I was saying that how I love how the foundation does not emphasize my pores. Not only that, it conceals my hyperpigmentation so nicely. It evens out my skin tone, and that's why I love it. Still have more left, and I haven't pumped anything. This is from the original, so I wouldn't recommend going more than 2 layers, because 2 layers is more than enough in my opinion. Now this foundation does a great job at evening out the complexion and covering Not really covering, rather concealing the hyperpigmentations I had on my skin. Also, if you're prone to breaking out from coconut oil, this may not be the best option to opt for. I'm going in with the Beauty Blender real quick so I can just smooth everything out. The Beauty Blender doesn't have anything in it, it's just a wet, damp sponge.
Shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
For the most part, you don't need a concealer, but I want to use a concealer because you will start to learn that if I don't put anything on my face, my brows and concealer are a mess.
Nothing less, there's no contest.
Yeah, you're good, but I confess when it comes down to it, I just think I'd do it better. Like
I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself. I look so good, I don't need anybody else. It feels so good when I just do it by myself.
I'll be using that to set my space. And that is the finished look. Now my final thoughts on this foundation is that it's lightweight. This is the foundation that I use on a day-to-day basis, so I would definitely recommend this product. It's under $7. Just try it out. This foundation will be the summer foundation of the year. Definitely. So yeah. Before I go, if you have tried this foundation, please leave your experience in the comments section below so we can help each other out, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck, oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal?